Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to add more black to our 2012 Raptor to make it look even more aggressive. As you can see, our 2012 Raptor pretty much has a blacked out theme going on, so we want to add to it by installing these black smoked LED taillights. These taillights are designed to be a direct fit plug-and-play replacement for the factory taillights. They're going to work with your factory reverse light bulbs, but they also feature super bright LEDs and black housings protected by a smoke lens for a more sinister look. They're going to really change the rear of this truck to make it stand out at night, so let's get to the installation. These taillights are pretty simple to remove. The first thing you're going to do is lower the tailgate, then remove the two 8mm bolts right here. Once both screws are removed, just grab onto the taillight, then pull it away from the truck. Grab your new LED taillight and also grab the reverse light from your factory taillight. We're going to upgrade to an LED bulb just to take full advantage of this upgrade. Install the reverse light bulb, line it up with the tabs, and then twist it to lock it in place. Plug the taillight into the factory connectors. Then line it up with your mounting tabs and install it just like you removed the factory one. Install both screws and tighten them down. Repeat this process for the other side, then your installation's finished. Okay, we got our blacked out LED taillights installed under our Raptor. They're looking a lot better than the factory ones. The LEDs are way brighter and I'm loving the blacked out look. Installation should only take you about 30 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading off road.